Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer money to Wealthfront from your bank, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer money to Wealthfront from your bank, start by logging into your Wealthfront account. If you don't have an account yet, create one by following the on-screen prompts. Once logged in, locate the Money or Funding section of your dashboard. Click on the option that allows you to add funds to your account. Select bank transfer or similar wording that indicates a transfer from your bank. The system will prompt you to link your bank account if you haven't done so already. Follow the prompts to enter your bank information, including the routing and account numbers. You may also need to verify your identity, which can involve answering security questions. After linking your bank account, return to the Funding section. Choose the bank account you just linked as the source of your transfer. Enter the amount of money you wish to transfer to Wealthfront. Review the transfer details to ensure everything is correct. Confirm the transfer by clicking on the Submit or Confirm button. You will receive a notification once the transfer is initiated. It may take a few business days for the funds to appear in your Wealthfront account. Keep track of your bank and Wealthfront accounts to monitor the transfer's progress. Once the funds are available, you can start investing or manage them as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.